How to reorder from order history on Uber Eats. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily reorder your last Uber Eats meal first. So first thing, just head over to your Uber Eats application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside on your home screen, just tap on this order section from the bottom of your navigation bar right next to your account section. So once you tap on that, here you can see there are two different sections, that is past items or past orders. So basically tap on your past orders navigation bar or section, and what you need to do is just select any of the order which you like to reorder. In this case, I don't have any order yet, so just select any of the order which you have previously ordered from the Uber Eats application itself. So once you tap on that, you can simply see the reorder button over there and simply reorder the foods or products that you have ordered previously in this application. So once you do all of that, you should be able to reorder your orders from order history. That is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.